Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we're going to be going to a car meet and cruise with some S15s. We got my S15 right here, we got Hass's beautiful Dada's S15 right there, and we also have Paul's You Jealous S15 right here, which you guys might notice it actually looks quite a bit different than the last time you guys have seen it. This thing has a fresh set of TE37s on it, a bronze TE37s at that, and as you can see, it looks absolutely immaculate. The car's been lowered a bit more too. Paul's S15 is looking like absolutely proper. All right guys, so Jacob from Attention to Detail Detailing has done an insane job on the S15. As you can see, it's nice and shiny, nice and reflective. Like, the wheels are the cleanest I've ever seen it, and the car as well. I don't think I remember the last time I've ever seen it this clean. Like, just have a look at how reflective. I can literally see myself in here. Like, that's nuts. Such an amazing job. Nice and shiny, nice and reflective. And Jacob's actually doing a special deal as well. So if you just mention ThatCarLife when you contact Jacob at Attention to Detail, you actually get 15% off whatever work you do with Jacob. It's a mad deal. I'll link Jacob's stuff, his Instagram here, and all his details in the description. So yeah, if you guys want to get 15% off your next detail or car wash, hit up Jacob from Attention to Detail. It's a mad quality job, as you can see. Just can't go wrong. But yeah, I'm going to put in some clips here of when Jacob was washing my car, and you guys will see, yeah, the whole process of how good it looks. And yeah, very keen for tonight. It's been a very long time since we've had all our S15s together, and even since I've driven the S15, it's been quite a while. So yeah, pretty keen for a good cruise. Alright guys, so we're just getting onto the highway now, and yeah, we've got Hass's S15, Paul's S15, and we're going to be cruising to the Greenway car meet. So we're just pulled into the meet now. We came pretty late, but there's still a decent amount of cars here. Alright, so I just put up to the meet. We got my S15 right here next to Paul's S15, and we've got Hass's S15 here as well. But yeah, as I said, we came here pretty late, so there's not many cars. Here's Mem's Tunes Evolution. Where's your car, bro?
Over there.
To the other side?
Yeah.
Well, obviously we came late, but there's still a few cars, muscle cars. Cars are like hitting the hydraulics and stuff. But we got ThatCarLife support over here. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you for asking.
Oh, that's very good. Yeah.
There's still some sick cars, so I'll show you guys what we can see. Yeah, it should be good. Sounds bad. Bro, that thing's a beast. Alright guys, so there pretty much wasn't really any cars here, so we had a quick feed at the kebab house over there. Really proper kebabs, but yeah, we've got all the S15s lined up over here in this row, and yeah, we're just gonna go for a cruise, and yeah, I'll just take you guys along for the cruise. It should be a nice drive with a whole bunch of S15s all together. It's so loud, it's setting off the alarm. What do you reckon, that car support? You keen?
Yeah, it should be fun.
S15 in front of us is like big power, like over 400 kilowatt. So I just realized I totally forgot to do an outro again, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit of a short one. We did get to that meet pretty late, so we did miss out on seeing a lot of the cars that came, but yeah, we still had a lot of fun on that cruise with all those S15s, including Joe's S14. That thing is nuts. It's like 400 plus kilowatts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing and hearing that car as well. But yeah, I had a really good time bringing the S15 out, having a cruise with the boys again. Yeah, it was long overdue. Anyways, I'll leave the video there, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on That Car Life.